Sagutan natin tong problems. Solve the following quadratic equations by factoring. Let's start with 1. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Okay, so to solve this quadratic equation by factoring, kailangan nating i-factor itong quadratic trinomial. Kapag finactor natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng product ng dalawang binomials. So we will have two binomial factors. So, para sa first term nung binomial factors, isip tayo ng factors nung x squared. Ano i-multiply natin para maging x squared? So, kapag 1 lang naman yung coefficient nung x squared, automatic yan. Ang factors niyan is x and x. Since x times x, it's x squared. Okay, ngayon para sa second term nung binomial factors natin, consider natin yung constant. We have positive 6. Isip tayo ng dalawang factors niya. Anong dalawang numbers ang i-multiply para maging positive 6. And at the same time, dapat yung sum ng dalawang numbers na yon is equal sa coefficient ng x term na negative 5. Obviously, pwedeng negative 2 and negative 3. Since negative 2 times negative 3, it's positive 6. And negative 2 plus negative 3, negative 5. Okay? Then, equate natin to 0. So, therefore, ito na yung factored form nung ating quadratic trinomial. Ang next step is, equate natin itong mga factors to 0. So, for the first one, x minus 2, equate it to 0. Tapos, sa second factor, x minus 3, equate to 0. Then, solve lang natin each equation for x. So, for x minus equals 0, transpose nyo lang sa negative 2 sa kanan, magiging x is positive 2. And for x minus equals 0, transpose nyo lang sa negative 3 sa kanan, magiging x is positive 3. So, therefore, the two solutions are x is 2 and x is 3. For number 2, we have x squared minus x is equal to 12. Okay, so para ma-transform into standard quadratic equation, kailangan naka-equate tayo sa 0. So, pwede muna nating i-transpose itong positive 12 from right to left. So, magiging x squared minus x. So, kung positive siya sa kanan, pag nilipat sa kaliwa, magiging negative na yung sign niya. Then, equal na to 0. Yan, saka natin ngayon apply yung factoring dito sa quadratic trinomial sa left side. So, again, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang binomial factors. So, isip ng factors ng x squared, that's x and x lang. For the second term ng binomial factors, again, consider natin yung factors ng constant na negative 12 kapag inad is equal sa coefficient ng x term which is negative 1, right? So, obviously, pwede siyang negative 4 and positive 3. Kasi negative 4 times 3, it's negative 12. And negative 4 plus 3, it's negative 1. Equal to 0. Then, equate natin each factor to 0. So, x minus 4 equals 0. And x plus 3 equals 0. Solve for x. So, dito transpose si negative 4. Bale, x is equal to positive 4. And dito, transpose si positive 3. Sa kanan, magiging x is equal to negative 3. So, therefore, the two solutions are positive 4 and negative 3. For number 3, we have 3x squared plus 5x equals 0. Okay, notice ito sa number 3, missing tayo ng constant term or yung constant term natin is 0. Pero pwede pa rin natin nung i-factor using common monomial factoring. So, ano yung common monomial factor ng 3x squared tsaka 5x? So, sa constant, ang GCF lang ng 3 at 5 is 1. So, no need to write na yon. Sa mga x term, we have x squared and x. So, piliin natin yung mas mababang exponent ni x which is yung x to the first or simply x. And then, di-divide natin yung first term, 3x squared divided by x, that's 3x, plus yung second term, divide by the common monomial factor x, so 5x divided by x, that's 5, equals 0. And then, equate din natin each factor to 0. So, yung unang factor is x, equate nyo to 0. So, ito agad yung solution. X is equal to 0. Then, for the second factor, 3x plus 5 equate to 0. Solve natin for x. So, transpose si positive 5 sa kanan. magiging 3x is equal to negative 5. Then divide both sides by 3 para masolve si x. So therefore, x is equal to negative 5/3. So the two solutions are 0 and negative 5/3. For number 4, we have 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 3x squared plus 3x plus 9. Okay, so wala pa sa standard quadratic equation, hindi pa naka-equate sa 0 sa right side. Ibig sabihin, pwede nating ilipat lahat ng terms dito sa right side, transpose natin sa left. Okay? So, bali 4x squared plus 5x plus 1, copy lang yung mga terms sa left side. Then, transpose natin itong 3x squared, 3x plus 9 dito sa left side. So, yung 3x squared magiging negative 3x squared. Yung 3x magiging negative 3x. Yung 9 magiging negative 9. And then, equated na to 0. Then, combine natin yung similar terms. So, 4x squared minus 3x squared magiging 1x squared or x squared na lang. 5x minus 3x magiging 2x positive. Then, positive 1 minus 9 magiging negative 8 equal to 0. Tsaka natin i-factor. So, another quadratic trinomial. Factors ng x squared, that's x times x. Easy factors ng negative 8 kapag inad is equal to positive 2. So, pwede siyang positive 4 and negative 2. Since 4 times negative 2, negative 8, then 4 plus negative 2, positive 2. And then equate each factor to 0. So, x plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So, for the first solution, we have x is equal to negative 4. And for the second solution, we have x is equal to positive 2. So, we have the two solutions, negative 4 and positive 2. For number 5, we have 2 times quantity x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals x squared minus 6. So, again, wala pa sa standard quadratic equation. Simplify muna natin. So, distribute muna natin itong 2. 2 times x squared magiging 2x squared. 2 times 3x magiging 6x minus 1. And then, lipat natin itong x squared minus 6 sa kaliwa, transpose. So, yung x squared magiging negative x squared. Then, yung negative 6 magiging positive 6. Then, equal to 0. Combine similar terms. So, 2x squared minus x squared, that's x squared. Then, 6x, walang mako-combine, copy nyo na lang. Then, negative 1 plus 6, positive 5, equals 0. Then, factor natin. So, 2 binomial factors ulit. Factors ng x squared, that's x and x. Then, isip ng factor ng constant 5 kapag inad is positive 6. So, obviously, positive 1 and positive 5. Since 1 times 5 is 5 and 1 plus 5, 6, equals 0. Equate natin each factor to 0. So, for the first factor, we have x plus 1 equals 0. And for the second factor, we have x plus 5 equals 0. Then, solve natin for x. For the first one, we have x is equal to negative 1. For the second one, we have x is equal to negative 5. So, the two solutions are negative 1 and negative 5. Okay, kayo naman, try to solve this quadratic equation. X squared minus 7x equals negative 12 and just comment your answers.